In today's world, advanced nations have built machines so powerful they can finish the work of thousands of people within hours. Their strength and efficiency outmatch even the wildest imagination. Let's explore some of these incredible creations. First up, a terrifying military vehicle. It's designed to move through the toughest battlefields with ease. Any obstacle ahead? Crushed in seconds. A 280-meter LOD launches from the vehicle, causing massive explosions, clearing hidden mines, and digging through the ground to create a safe path. On the battlefield, this is like a guardian on wheels. Next, one of the world's most advanced robots. It works just like a human, sometimes even better. It can jump 360 degrees, climb stairs, detect obstacles, and even build a 3D map of its surroundings. That means it chooses the smartest path all by itself. And don't worry, it never attacks humans. Experts believe this could become one of America's greatest strengths in future wars. Now, meet the unstoppable drilling machine. People joke it could drill right through the earth. Well, not exactly true. It can dig 328 feet deep. It's used for building foundations and mining projects. Yes, it burns 100 liters of fuel every hour, but compared to its power, that's nothing. Then comes the war drone. Its design looks unusual, but its speed is insane, nearly 200 miles per hour. With advanced cameras, no enemy can hide. Even without a network, it follows its own map to complete missions. One charge keeps it flying for 10 straight hours while carrying missiles. In short, this drone can destroy enemies all by itself. Finally, the giant long-arm machine. Where humans can't reach, its 300-foot arm easily can. From cleaning drains to digging canals, it does it all. Powered by a 1,200 horsepower engine, it makes the impossible possible. In fact, America owns one that can dig a full kilometer-long canal in just 7 days. The best part? You can set the length and width exactly as needed. Together, these machines prove one thing. When technology is used right, human imagination becomes reality.